magsusundan si Andrea sa bakasyon?
Baka. Hindi, may bakasyon din akong gagawin para sa sarili ko. In October naman, pinaka-plano ko is, I planned this since I was younger talaga. Been wanting to do a solo trip. So I'm gonna go to Europe for 2 weeks.
Oh!
Yeah. Hindi, bata pa ako, yung naman talaga sa... sabi ko sa kanya, nauna ka pa sa akin, ha? Yeah, pero...
Take 2 niya na to.
Take 2 niya na to. Mag-enjoy niya naman yan. Pero, you know, I'm happy for her. Finding her independence now. I appreciate that. She shows, I'm sure a lot of people see online. Sobrang pinapakita niya yung independence niya. And it's what makes her her now. I'm so proud of her for it.
Wow!
Hindi naman po may iwasan. Aminado naman po kami. Marami naman mga Kyle Trea fans talaga. There's a lot of people that are watching our lives, whether it be separate, whether it be together. But we've been in part of each other's lives for a long time. So never siya naging problema sa akin dahil tinatanong ako kung jowa kami ni Andrea. I mean, it's society now as usual. Sobrang friends lang po talaga kami. Now, personal time, as in, mga ganon. Sa totoo lang po, hindi masyado. I have really not been exploring my romantic life, to be honest, and it's been like that for years naman talaga. Never has been, because I fell in love with who I work and I don't feel like, I don't want to sound overcritical about it, pero para sa akin kasi I don't want to put myself in a position na baka masaktan lang kasi yung babae kasi wala akong oras para din sa kanya. Kasi wala din naman akong oras para sa sarili ko. Paano pa kung...
Sorry lang, we're giving everyone 5 minutes per table then we move. Thank you.
Okay po. Kailan ako magiging ready? I never know eh. As corny as I can sound, totoo lang, hindi mo lang talaga alam kailan dadating.
At least honest ka.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi ka red flag.
Yeah, honest
Diba?
naman ako.
Hindi honest na hindi ako pwede.
Yeah, honest ako na hindi ko pa mabigay lahat ng gusto kong ibigay sa babae. Kaya hindi ko pinapasok, hindi ako pupasok sa relasyon. Kasi masyadong napamahal sa akin yung trabaho ko eh. So, I still gotta have room for myself. How much more, how am I gonna make time for a girl? So,
speaking of work, so does it mean na you're saying goodbye na to the mga love team roles, the boy next door roles?
Hindi naman po siya. I mean, ano naman po ibibigay sa akin na trabaho, tatanggapin ko po kung sa tingin ko ikakabuti ko. If it's really good for me, then I'll do it. Pero wala naman po ako sa ayoko na ng love team, ayoko na ng love interest story. This was such a... Sobrang nakakagulat naman po talaga tong serye na to kasi it wasn't like the focus of the show was about love interest and very rare para gawin to ng ABS-CBN. It's not very normal for them to bank on someone like me and Ray while having of course the thriller of Lolo Pascual, but we both acknowledge that we are blessed with the role that we were given. Kaya binigay namin lahat.
Pero open ka na to darker, more complicated roles.
Yes, super po. Super. I'm enjoying the art of storytelling and mas na-appreciate ko po yung trabaho ko po ngayon kasi mas na-realize ko kung gaano siya ka-importante sa society.
And seeing your society, sabi mo hindi mo mapagpag yung character mo, diba? So, what realizations did you have about what's happening right now that really struck you the most? Mas nilin franchising na.
Well, I won't say anything too much because I don't want to be too critical about anything. Pero one thing I found in Moises, and it's the reason why he does what he does, the way I see it. Kasi harap-harapan na eh. Harap-harapan na natin nakikita yung mali at pinapayagan pa rin natin yung mali. And para kay Moises, hindi dapat ganun eh. Dapat harapin natin, dapat gawin na natin kung ano nasa tama. At yun yung ginagawa ni Moises. So that's what I can say I've learned from him and I will always appreciate him.
Okay, I think we're good. So, lipat natin yung ibang cast.
Yun, the day that he got to direct version, sobrang nakakatuwa po, sobrang na-appreciate ko po si Direk Coco. Kung gaano siya sa set niya, alam niya kung anong kailangan niyang gawin. alam ng mga tao niya, kasi alam niya, kasi medyo ipit po kami nung araw na nag-blocking po siya, direct po siya para sa amin kasi it was one day shoot. Pero binigay niya lahat. He was really committed to our show. He told us different tips, hints, especially when it comes to action, that me and Gray will keep till the end. And sobrang blessing po na siya yung naging director natin. Not at all. Not at all. Napakabayad po talaga ni Direk Coco. And he even complimented me in different ways na hindi ko akalain na sasabihin niya. So,
Ano sabi niya?
parang, hindi, sinabi na magaling kong artista na kailangan maganda. So it's just nice for him to say that, coming from him talaga.
I think it's time na i-evaluate ang actor.
Okay ba? Thank you.
So, take us another.